This is the fourth and final episode of a 4-part series about how we turned this dilapidated 2-bedroom terrace house in Bedfordshire into a modern 3-bedroom house. The property has now been sold, so this episode is all about showing the end result of our works, just as we were about handing over the keys to the new owners. But before we dive in, let's quickly remind ourselves of what the property looked like. Back to the current state of the property, we have cleared out the front garden and put up a fence. Although the front garden is narrow, it's nonetheless long enough to take up to 2 cars. We returfed a tiny portion with new grass, which has now fully grown and will need maintaining by the new owners. An extractor hood has been installed in the kitchen, and the appliances that we are leaving with the property have been properly fitted. I like the color combination between the kitchen cabinets and the ground laminate floor. When we first came to this property, it had no toilet downstairs, but we managed to create one under the stairs, which is a brilliant use of the space, and will mean that visitors don't have to use the family toilet upstairs. Heading out to the back garden, we installed a wooden deck, poured loose gravels on some parts of the garden, and toughed the rest with green grass to provide the new owners a variety of ways to use the garden. Heading upstairs, we fitted a new compliant staircase and installed new carpets all through. The master bedroom now looks updated and has a double door built-in wardrobe. We also fitted an eco-friendly electric heater. The second bedroom is the newly added room. It also has its own wardrobe. The third room is a smaller room because part of its floor was demarcated off to make space for the staircase. However, it's great for a single bed. Typical of other rooms in the property, it also has its own small wardrobe. The final room upstairs is the new family bathroom, which, although very small, still has everything you need in a modern bathroom. Frankly, it's amazing how we were able to fit in all these rooms up here without having to do an expensive attic conversion or building an exterior extension. This is the last of the 4-part video series. If you didn't watch the previous episodes, do click on any of the video links that will pop up at the end of this one. So what do you think about this project? What would you have done differently? It would be interesting to read your comments. Please subscribe to the channel to be notified immediately we upload new videos. Also like and share the video with anyone you think will find it beneficial. Thank you for watching.